Welcome back to SGS online classes. Today in class 5 EVS I will start chapter 10 pollution part 1. Student, in chapter 10 pollution I will explain soil pollution, air pollution, water pollution, noise pollution. Student, in part 1 of chapter 10 pollution I will explain soil pollution, environmental pollution, soil pollution. Under soil pollution, I will explain what is soil pollution, causes of soil pollution, effect of soil pollution, measures to control soil pollution. Student, let us start. Student, we throw our waste. Waste where waste? Waste which comes out from our house, kitchens, in a school. We throw those waste where? Student, we throw waste in the dustbin. Now, why we throw waste in the dustbin? Student, why we throw waste in dustbin? To keep the environment safe and clean. To keep the environment safe and clean. Now, what is the environment? If we have said and to keep the environment safe and clean, so what is environment? Student, natural world. This natural world or habitat, or in other words we can say our surrounding, the air, water and land in which people and animal and plant live is called environment. Now student, if we throw waste here and there, what will happen? If we throw waste here and there, what will happen? It will cause pollution. Now, from where this word pollution originates and what is pollution? So, this word pollution originates from the Latin word polluere. That simply means contamination. Now, what is contamination? If polluere means contamination, what is contamination? The presence of impurity or some other undesirable element that pollute, that spoils, infects or makes unfit a natural environment for living being is contamination. Now what is pollution? How we can define pollution? The presence of harmful substance in the air, land and water which can have adverse effect on living beings and on the environment is pollution. Adverse effect on the living beings. Now in other words, student, if we have to define pollution, how we can define it? Pollution is the effect of such activities which upset the biodiversity of the ecosystem and also poses threat to sustainability of the environment. So, how we can define pollution? We can define pollution in many ways. So, second way, what I have defined? Pollution is the effect of such activities which upset the biodiversity of the ecosystem and also poses threat to sustainability of environment. Now student, what is environmental pollution? First I have explained what is environment, then what is pollution. Now what is environmental pollution? How we can define it? Environmental pollution, the action or state of making physical and biological components of the earth atmosphere system impure by polluting to such an extent that normal environmental processes are adversely affected is called environmental pollution. Now student, effect of environmental pollution. What is the effect of environmental pollution? If our environment is polluted, then what is the effect of environmental pollution? Student, ozone layer depletion. In air in our air, there are many gases, nitrogen, oxygen, but there is one more important layer, ozone layer, which protect the earth from the harmful rays of the sun. Student, when this ozone layer is depleted, then harmful ultraviolet radiation of the sun directly reaches to the earth, and it is harmful for the skin, it is harmful for the plants, so it is very harmful. So what effect? Ozone layer depletion. Global warming. Student, nowadays we are facing a maximum temperature of 40, 45, 47. What is this? This is global warming. Climate change. First there was a balance in climate, but now climate change. Last, acid rain. So student, there are many effects of environmental pollution which we will study when I will explain this pollution. Now student, first, soil pollution. Chapter 10, part 1. First, soil pollution. What is soil pollution? When quality of soil is damaged and it becomes harmful for plants and animals, it is called soil pollution. What I have explained? When quality of soil is damaged and it becomes harmful for plants and animals, it is called soil pollution. Now, causes of soil pollution. Excessive use of chemicals, fertilizers, pesticide, insecticide on agriculture land over a long period of time. This causes soil pollution. Dumping of non-biodegradable household and industrial waste like glass, bottles, metal chips, containers and plastic bags. This also causes soil pollution. Students, we are talking about soil pollution. Soil, this upper layer of the earth on which we work, we construct building, we do our agriculture, farming. So that is soil. So we are talking about soil pollution. So what are the causes of soil pollution? Excessive use of chemical fertilizers and pesticide on agriculture land over a long period of time. Dumping of non-biodegradable household and industrial waste like glass, bottles, metal chips, containers and plastic bags. So this causes soil pollution. Now student, effects of soil pollution. What are the effects of soil pollution? Polluted soil is harmful for all living beings. It affects plant and crop growth. The consumption of crops cultivated in polluted soil causes various health problems. What? Consumption of crops cultivated in polluted soil causes various health problems. So student, I have explained soil pollution, what is soil pollution, causes of soil pollution, effect of soil pollution. Now measures to control soil pollution. Student, there is one more effect of soil pollution. When we use pesticide, insecticides, so what happens? The use of pesticide can cause memory loss in bees, making them lose their way to the flowers or hives or back to their hives. This is one more effect of using chemicals, fertilizers, insecticide and pesticide. Now measures to control soil pollution. Natural fertilizers should be used instead of chemical fertilizers. Non-biodegradable waste product should be reused after recycling. Non-biodegradable waste should be reused after recycling. Household and industrial waste should be divided into biodegradable and non-biodegradable waste and then disposed of. Jute bags should be used instead of polythene bags. What, student? Jute bags should be used instead of polythene bags. Now, student, practice of hard word which were used in soil pollution topic. First, pollutants. Student, pollutants, particles or materials involved in pollution. Clear? Particles or materials involved in pollution are called pollutants. Student, fertilizers. Fertilizers, chemical substance rich in particular nutrients used to increase fertility of soil. Biodegradable, which can decay naturally. Biodegradable, which can decay naturally. Non-biodegradable, which does not decay easily and harm soil by causing pollution. Consumption, eating. Substances, solid or liquid material. Disposed of, throwing away. Dumping, to put something down quickly or in a careless way. This is called dumping. So once again, pollutants, fertilizers, biodegradable, non-biodegradable, consumption, substances, disposed of, dumping. Now, student, question can be made from soil pollution. What are they? What is soil pollution? When quality of soil is damaged and it becomes harmful for plant and animal, it is called soil pollution. So, what are the causes of soil pollution? Excessive use of chemical fertilizer, pesticide on agriculture land over a long period of time. Dumping of non-biodegradable waste, household and industrial waste. Now, give some example of biodegradable waste. Student, plant and animal products or plant and animal waste, that is biodegradable waste. Give some example of non-biodegradable waste. Bottles, metal chips, containers, plastic bags. These are the examples of non-biodegradable waste. So in this way we can make many questions. So read and practice it. So part 1 of chapter 10 pollution completed. Thank you.